Hello, and welcome to the Astronomy Research Seminar, ASTR 299, offered by Boyce Astro, or one of the community colleges that you may be attending. We're glad to have you here. In this PowerPoint, this video will walk you through a rough overview of the course and the various elements that are involved as you proceed to a published paper. Okay. We'll start with the syllabus. Each of you for this course, when you've signed up, will receive a syllabus. Syllabus you see on the right is simply an example of the cover page, but it will vary semester to semester, location to location. So what you see on the right isn't exactly the same, but it's pretty close to it. This will contain at least your instructor contact info. We have a principal instructor and associate instructors, but you will be able to connect with them through this the information here on the front of your syllabus. Also an overview as to what the course is, a bit of a background, how it evolved, what the thought process was behind it. A FAQ, about 8 pages of an FAQ, so be sure you review that to see if you get some common questions answered. If there are others that you need answered, please feel free to reach out at any time through your instructor contact info above or through the website. I'd be happy to help you out. We'll also lay out important seminar dates, such as when the weekly meetings are, when your online or your in face-to-face sessions of providing your proposal or your final research will occur, and so on and so forth. So the weekly schedule within the syllabus looks much like this. We start off with a week 0, which is a face-to-face introduction, which we also provide online as well, where we give an overview to the course and we talk about the readings and things that are going to go on. The next section you see here, an example, week 1. This is what most weeks are going to look like. We every week have a learning objectives section, so you understand what it is we hope that you will get out of those sessions. We have readings in the textbook, the particular sections and the pages provided to you. So we're not looking for you to read one chapter front to back, but we are giving you the pages and the sections that you need to read for data that will accompany the online videos and the discussion. Every week we'll have a link to the discussion board. This is an online forum that's available to you. The online forums are fabulous. We'll show you a picture here in just a bit. They have a way for you to communicate to other teams, to ask professional astronomers, to get some resources, Excel spreadsheets and things of that sort. Things that you'll need throughout the course of your research and your work here in this class. Live virtual meetings. Most of these courses now are online, and in your particular syllabus, you will have a link to those meetings. I'll discuss Zoom in just a minute, but as you see here, we have the blue hyperlink, and if you were to click on that in that Word document, you would be taken straight into the weekly meeting. So we try to make it as easy as possible to just click on that point and be taken to the week meeting. If you happen to forget what it is, just open up your syllabus and that'll take you there as well. There's also a phone number if you can't log on via a computer or something with a webcam. You can call in with a telephone. You'll hear everybody in the meeting just the same. We have self-paced lessons for most weeks. These will all be hosted on something called Ed Puzzle. And in your syllabus for your appropriate section of class, you will have another hyperlink that will be provided to you. This will give you the link to the videos for the course. Now, I'll show you a bit of that in a second, but I'll just jumping ahead slightly. We have 2 kinds of videos. We have one that starts with the word class. When you see those are the required videos for the class. Then you will see other ones that have all caps the word extra and then the word class. The extra class is something for you to further your knowledge if you want, to answer a question, to do some additional review. They are not a mandatory part of this in the process of your research, but they are extremely helpful information that will help you through this process if you need additional help. So in this particular case, the self-paced lessons here on week 1, the 3 titles are Why Binary Stars, Kepler's Laws, and Stellar Magnitudes. So you would click on that link, find those videos, watch those videos, and be ready for the next online session. Each week also is going to have a team assignment. Those team assignments are going to tell you things that you and your group should be doing. Research, most scientific research is done in groups, done in teams, Everybody has a role and a purpose. You will too through the course of this program. So that will outline the things you should be thinking about as a team for that particular week. Here are the video tutorials. This is what it looks like. This is a clip from the syllabus where we have the self-paced lessons, and we have the hyperlink to this site. Again, click on that Edpuzzle link and it will take you to the website. The first time you go to the website, you may have to sign up, set an account. That's okay. Go ahead and do that. You'll have access. Here we have 4 videos that are being shown. Notice we have ones that say extra class. Those are the extra portions, the extra videos that you can watch, but you don't have to watch it for your education process through the course. In this case, this one is how to use the Washington Double Star Catalog plotting tool, and it's a video on that. It's kind of a how-to tutorial for you. The next one down is a live example where we take the PowerPoint from that one and we just do a live practical example so you get a little bit more practice. Again, extra, not required. The other ones here, these are required classes. Now, some of them, as I had said before, they either have extra class or just class. Some of them may not. And in that case, you have to watch these particular videos. So this is using Mira 64 to measure your double stars. Let me get rid of some of the lines here so we can see this clearly. These are required for the class. These are extra and are not required for the particular class. So those are available to you on Edpuzzle. BARC, the Voice Astro Research Computer. This is a server that we've established for you. All the software that you need to be able to do this course is on this server. When you get signed up for the course, you will receive an email link showing you how to gain access to the server, steps you have to take. Be sure you follow those step by step through the process and you will have access. In this case here, we see we've got all of the Microsoft products available to you. We are not very fond of Google Docs, sorry. Google Docs is infamous for not keeping formatting. So if you write a document, your paper in Google Docs, and you transfer it out, a lot of formatting will be lost and you're gonna have to redo it. So I strongly suggest if you do not already have access to Word or to PowerPoint or to Excel, those are available on the server, so have at it and enjoy those. They're available for you. These next areas down here, now all desktops may not look the same, but the contents are the same. These are the software tools that you have available. Maxim is going to be the principal tool that we use for measuring our instruments, for bringing those in from the camera and first looking at the images. Mira is going to be what we use to measure the angle and the distance of the stars. So these 2 products together are going to be your principal documents that you're going to want to use on your paper. So again, the research computer has all this available. Make sure that you follow the sign-up email when it becomes available to you. The ASTR 299 Handbook. This is a PDF document and refer back to the syllabus where we give you individual pages and topics to read. Well, you will find them in this book. So that will be made available to you at the start of the class. On our website, we have an ability to register. You're going to want to click on the seminar link located up top, and that's going to take you to a seminar page. You're going to see 2 tables on this page. One is going to be a general question, and the other is going to be an actual registration. What you see here is the actual registration form. We need you to fill this out so that we collect all of your data that we are able to put into our text messaging system that we only use for content related to the class, to get you up on the server, and to get your account situated so that you can progress through this course smoothly. This will help us facilitate the Edpuzzle accounts and so on and so forth. So it's necessary that you fill out that form. That's information that we need to be able to help you. You also have tools on the seminar site or on the Voice Astro website that you can use for research and access to the iTelescope image ordering form. Our conferences, our online conferences will be held via Zoom. And I have on the right side of the page here, we have 3 different ways you can get into Zoom. The first one is by going to zoom.us, that's their website, and you can download the software on your laptop, on your phone, on your tablet, whatever you need. The second way to get in is through a meeting notice to your email that you can receive. And that will give you the link that you'll just simply click on that link and you'll go into the meeting. Or if you want to call, that number, like on the syllabus, is available to you there. And finally, the third way to get into the meetings is to go back to your syllabus each week and you'll find that link. One of the things that we have done is for every class, there is a single login ID for each class. So that'll populate it throughout your syllabus and you click on each week and it goes to your class. So we wanted to make this thing as easy as possible. But this is the tool that we will use for our online meetings. We will not be using any other tool. Forums, the Voice Astro forums, part of your registration gets you access to these forums as well. So it's really important that you fill that form out so we can get all the details that we need. The forums have an ability for you to talk to other team members outside of your team, maybe another school, to ask astronomers questions of things you may want to know that may be related to binary star research. They may just be related to astronomy, so those will be available to you. We also have a ton of resources on here, spreadsheets, PDFs. Each one of the videos for Edpuzzle has a corresponding PDF. So if you want to download that PDF, you go to the forums. The forums have those. So everything is consolidated there on the forum. You will want to go to this frequently to get the information you need for the course. So what do you do now? Now, first steps, you need to ensure that you have gone to the website and you have signed up via that registration form. If you have, great. If not, please do it now. Then we will locate and download the textbook. That information will be available on your syllabus. When you receive the Voice Astro Research Computer email, the sign-up email, ensure that you have followed all the steps to sign up for your team. And then click on the Edpuzzle link in the syllabus for each of your classes. The first time you open this, it may ask you to establish an account. Establish that account, and then you will have access to all of the videos. Well, that's it for now. I appreciate your time on the introduction video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to us. Happy research, and we'll see you soon.